Hey guys, good afternoon. Today I'm going to install my BMW performance intake on my 328. This is an E93, so it's the hardtop convertible. I've had this car for about like 4 years now, and I'm finally starting to get to the point where I'm like building it. So yeah, this is what it looks like right now. I'll do a little bit more kind of like overview of what it looks like and tell you a little bit more about it, but right now this video is going to just be about me putting in this new airbox, and yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. This part I already kind of cleaned up and stuff, the carbon fiber, but this top cover for the airbox needs a ton of work, so I'm gonna go ahead and restore this plastic. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I put the trim restore on the plastic. So much better. It still has like a little bit of scuffs and stuff, but like I'm not too worried about it. I just didn't want it to look really terrible. I'll probably end up doing another coat once it's actually in the car, but for now this is fine. Okay, so moving on to the actual airbox. So this needs to be like totally cleaned out because it's like got all sorts of stuff in here. I took out the charcoal filter. If you guys are like familiar with BMW or like specifically E90s, the 328s, basically any N52 or N51 had like a charcoal filter right here, and I just like cut it out for more airflow. Yeah, like this is really nasty, so I'm gonna go ahead and like rinse this out with the hose and a brush and make sure that there's no like gunk that's gonna go right into my engine. Alright, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my filter back in. So this is the AFE performance filter. This is the same shape as like the OEM filter, and also the same shape as the filter that came in the kit, but I already had this, so I wanted to reuse it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here, and you can see, just make sure that it is seated all the way around. And then this piece will go on top, like that. I'm gonna go ahead and get all these T20s screwed in, and then get the top on it, and then we'll go ahead and put it in the car. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the airbox in first. I took these 10 mils out and then put them back in there. So I'm taking these out again. And you just wanna line up the holes with these two holes that are underneath here. 10 millimeter nuts. Yeah, so basically take these T20s out. Okay, so that is what it looks like. I'll wipe it down a little. Looks really factory, especially just like that black plastic piece over the airbox. Looks really factory, so I'm gonna get some detail shots and we're done.